1, 2, let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are starting with a dance. The Kabayan dance. So today we are going to install to unbox. Unboxing the TV. Okay.
For the money.
They are content creator.
98?
This one.
77? What about 98?
98, I don't know where I'll put, but I'll put maybe.
This one is not still ongoing, yeah?
This is ongoing. It's not discontinued. Okay.
What about the LG one?
Why are you in a rush?
Because I am not here, you will go home. Now it is still here. No, not going to
No, wait. No, Jin, don't. No, Jin. We are doing one video and you for YouTube, no?
Let me, I will be you and then Freeland will make it.
Huh?
Yala.
That's also.
Yeah.
You will dance?
You dance, bro.
Okay, because you have to dance now. 77C5 OLED 25
No. Bro.
No, just
Hello guys.
okay, reveal it.
For the LG, what is this, boss?
77C5.
C5?
Yeah, OLED 2025 model.
Yes.
With a bright fire booster box. Okay. Generation 8 processor.
Bro, your camera is too black.
Black.
Not
Then that's why you are going to
too dim. Dim.
Let me see.
Come. See? Light dim.
Like
Because of the light maybe.
okay. Yeah, first pause this one.
Yes.
Just first pause that. 1 second. Non-pause when we do this. So man, you have to remove the. Don't wait to unpause.
You get also this one, my God. Just the manual. Also the cover. Also the cost. This is all you will get. Remote. Battery also inside and the screws for the stand.
And there we have the stand also. So the stand will be down. So once you're installing the stand, just push this down like this. Then you have to screw this from top and bottom. Let's see. Let's try it now. Okay.
Here's your screw.
Trailer.
Where is your screw? Here's the screw. Here's the screws here. Also cable management. We call this one cable management. This is the one.
There is.
This is the back of it.
So
Nice color.
yeah, show the texture also.
Ooh.
Then 4 HDMI's. How many HDMI's? 4 and 3 USBs, internet, optical, and satellite.
Okay. Nothing is there.
Yeah. Maybe beside them, put your TV at the back. So then if you want to put the TV. This is in the front. Okay. Viewers.
Don't change to
The mic here. The mic here.
Ah.
Just put like this. The front. Then like this.
no first. Wait, come, I'll show you. Come and dance, okay? Okay, take back now. Come closer now. Time for installation. So it comes with four screws, the small ones and the big ones. The blue ones will be here. The big ones, it will come inside here. So let's go. You can put in timer. And this one you just have to do like this. You can stop that one, then do the time lapse.
Raylan!
No, it's okay. There we have it. Welcome to Dubai. Alas. Welcome to 2025. C5. Like it. It's okay. Now we can open the other one. Sheesh.
Sheesh. The backside is...
So as you can see, we are trying to set it up now. Let's go. Magic remote successfully connected. Then we are based in the Middle East. We are based in the Middle East. So next, and ladies and gentlemen, before I forget, okay, we are based in Dubai. This comes with the new Magic remote. This is the Magic remote, the one that will be a little bit slimmer compared to the previous model. So okay, we'll set using our ThinQ app. So we'll use the TV remote to set it up. I'll put in my password. So after inserting in your password, you wait. And please don't forget to remove this. Now see, successfully connected. So see the difference? You wants to keep this one. See the colors which you'll get here, and see what you'll get. There is black and gray, so you just have to remove it. So we'll put in the terms and conditions. If your network is poor, sometimes it will delay. If you have a good network, okay, we'll do that later. You have to tick the AI, picture pro and AI sound, to enhance the quality picture of your TV, and all is ready, so that you just have to talk. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the OLED 77 C5 2025 model. 120 hertz, sorry, 144 hertz, with the Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, FreeSync, G-Sync, with the 5 years renewable operating system. It will be some like Android versions. So these ones you have to accept terms and conditions. But mostly it's in Arabic. I don't know why it came in English because I chose. If you don't choose Middle East, they need to bring in English. So, okay, it says, it seems I put in the wrong country. 1 second, let's first check and see. Okay, anyways, let me first try to log in my account and see. If you don't log in your account, this AI button will not work. So you have to log in your account. So, all in all, this TV is really bright. I could say that it's worth a buying. Brighter than the C4 with the new magic remote like this. See the colors will be very good. Brightness booster, G-Sync, FreeSync, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, perfect black, so everything will be there. So it's a go for it. And with the AI search, voice, AI combat, concierge, so everything will be there. So if anyone is looking for the best TV right now, for me personally, I think this is really good. But not better than the G5. So C5 is really good. So all applications will be there. Depends if you want to download other applications, you can download. And by the way, I tried it with the soundbar, and the orchestra is really so much effective. Like, you know, the sound enhancement. So if you're to go for it and you need a cinema home, you should try with the soundbar also.
I was in a train. There was a...
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love you so much. And tell your friends to tell their friends that our channel will always give you the latest unboxing. So keep the space, keep watching, subscribe, put the notification button. We'll bring you something else more in the next few hours or minutes or days. Love you all. So we'll test the magic remote AI button, which is new on the remote. So you have to press it and speak what you want. Then I don't have Netflix account, but it will open the Netflix, it will open anything. So let's try. Open for me Gemini Man trailer on YouTube.
Look up Gemini Man trailer in YouTube.
So my accent was not, it said German instead of Gemini. So my accent wasn't good. This is what it typed, but the trailer which I wanted is this. Yeah. It came in there, although my I think didn't understand my English, and it came still, you know. That's the trailer which I wanted. Yes, bro. And thanks for watching.